Florida's first FinTech conference focused on Bitcoin and blockchain technologies comes to Tampa on November 5th at Amalie Arena. The two-day Florida Bitcoin and Blockchain Summit featuring ARK Investments' Cathie Wood, as she's featured as a closing keynote speaker. And we're now joined by co-founder and CEO of BlockSpaces, Rosa Shores, and co-founder and chief blockchain officer for BlockSpaces, Gabe Higgins. Good to see you guys again. It's been some time.
Yeah, it has. We've changed a lot. BlockSpaces has changed a lot, and the whole ecosystem has changed a lot since we were there last.
So, Rosa, let's start with you. Tell us a little bit about your company, BlockSpaces, and how you came to be involved with this summit.
Yeah, so BlockSpaces is an integration platform. We allow for ease of integration between various blockchains, both public and private, into existing enterprise technologies. So that's a mouthful. And we've evolved quite a bit. I think since the last time we were there, we've been involved, of course, in this space for a very long time, 2012, 2013. I think the first time we spoke to you was probably 2017, but BlockSpaces, our company, is a sponsor of this event. And so it's just a way to kind of throw down the gauntlet, so to speak, that Tampa Bay is absolutely has a place at the table with this industry and is continuing to merge very rapidly.
Yeah, growing tech hub here in Tampa Bay. Now, Gabe, what can we expect at this summit? I mean, last time we spoke, it was a roller coaster cryptocurrency, and that hasn't changed. It's only gotten more exciting. Tell us what can we expect?
Yeah, well, with Bitcoin just hit new all-time highs yesterday at $66,000 per Bitcoin. So we're going to be focusing a lot on education. Obviously, that's still a primary focus for a lot of people. They're still getting in, trying to understand what this is all about. So a lot of education, a lot of discussion about investing, and a lot of discussion about the latest and new hottest thing in the crypto space concerning NFTs and what those are and what those are being used for with brand names all around the world.
So, Rosa, Cathie Wood, that is amazing. She is a rock star investor. Who are some of the other featured speakers and companies that are being featured at this event?
Yeah, so Celsius Network is another major sponsor of this event. They're a very large company that just moved to the Tampa Bay area, looked at lots of different cities in Florida and decided on Tampa, just like Cathie did. Same situation, which is really amazing and says a lot for this area and the talent that's here. Gary Cardone from Card One Ventures will be here as well as Charlie Shrim, who is a longtime area resident in this kind of Tampa Bay extended area that will also be there, as well as a variety of other speakers, both from a legislative perspective and then within different industries. Blockchain, of course, is being utilized in a range of industries now. So we'll have experts there from real estate, from government, and how blockchain is also being used for some of those use cases as well.
And guys, you guys have been my teachers in this space. Who is this summit for? Would this be a good event for anyone who might be interested in learning more about Bitcoin and blockchain? Because it's not just about learning how to buy and sell cryptocurrency. There's a whole, like you said, an ecosystem here, right?
Absolutely. And that is what our platform does. Yeah.
Go ahead.
Yeah, I would say we're going to have a lot of focuses because this is such a broad area of interest. As I mentioned, NFTs spans a few different industries. We're going to have a focus on real estate investing concerning crypto assets and just in general what crypto assets are. We have a developer workshop as well. So if you're technology focused and you're a programmer, there's going to be a half-day workshop for you to learn how to actually program applications on blockchain system. So we have a little bit of something for everybody. So if you're wanting to dig in and get your feet wet as far as learning what this whole movement is about, this is a really great stepping stone.
So, Gabe, let me hit you up on the hard question here. You know, the recent spike in cryptocurrency in Bitcoin, it's 66,000. You know, there's a lot of parallels here with what happened earlier in the year with the meme stocks, with GameStop and everything. Some people feel like they weren't able to get in on time on that craziness. Why is cryptocurrency, why is this different? And how can we teach folks about cryptocurrency and not make it be something like, oh, I'll lose out if I don't invest right now?
Yeah, so this is where a lot of education comes in handy, right? I tell people to invest in their knowledge first, because there are a lot of dubious projects that are out there that claim to do very wonderful things, but they are just, Ponzi-like investments. Bitcoin, on the other hand, we've seen tremendous growth and interest from institutional investors, large hedge funds, and even now with the first country of El Salvador adopting Bitcoin specifically as legal tender. So it's being used at all local restaurants and shops in El Salvador, which of course is a small country, but it is functionally operating very well. And it's kind of a testing ground of seeing how this kind of a new emerging asset class can actually functionally work in the real world, where you have McDonald's in El Salvador, Starbucks, normal brand name shops being able to accept it as payment. So this is kind of just the new frontier, I would say, of how digital payments are going to operate and function going into the future, with, like I said, large corporations getting involved: Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, Square, Twitter, Tesla. The list continues to grow on a daily basis. So this is moved past the kind of speculative hype cycle, I would say, and moved into real world use case and application.
So education first. Rosa, finally, if someone's interested in learning more and where to get tickets and can they get that information?
Yep. So go to the website, and is it Florida Blockchain Summit, Gabe.com?
Yep.
FloridaBlockchainSummit.com. And you can find out all the information for the speakers. There's some being added every day, so make sure and check back. We also do have 2 different after parties, so these things will be going on from morning till night, and we just welcome everybody to come out and check it out. Lots of jobs. All of these companies are hiring, from developers to marketing to sales. So if you're in the job market, definitely come.
Rosa Shores and Gabe Higgins from BlockSpaces, thank you very much for all the knowledge, and good luck.